everyone. I would like to talk about myself. My name is Sabrina Shohag, but my nickname is Sarina, so you can call me Sarina. I am about 8 years old. I read in class 2 at Foizur Rahman Ideal Institute. I come from Noakhali, but at present I live in Bonasri. I have been living there since 10 years. There are 4 people in my family, my father, my mother, and my brother and me. I have a brother, his name is Safwan Mahmoud Sinan. He reads in class 6 at Foizur Rahman Ideal Institute too. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My brother is a student at class 6 and I am interested in reading storybooks, and my favorite color is light purple, and my favorite food is noodles because it has many flavors, and my favorite persons are Aisha and Luna. And my main ambition is to be a doctor. And finally, I am very pleased to introduce myself before you. Thank you all.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন। ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটের 3, ব্লক কে।